gun in my hand will tell you the same. That when I'm in my car, don't give me no crap. There's the sliding steering and adjust my step. Yeah. It's unbelievable. They just keep on cheering. We're not doing anything. We're just sitting. I stopped trying like 3 songs ago.
Not me. I'm on top of my game tonight, my friend.
I'm just kidding. These guys are amazing. You hear them?
Yes, I do hear them. Listen to them. Oh!
There must be like 500 people here tonight. I can't believe how much.
Oh, way more than that, dude.
I don't know. 600?
Way more than that. Control, can I get a number for tonight's attendance?
I'm not good at guessing numbers like that.
Wait, hey, hang on. I'm getting a number. Oh my God, Dexter, you're not going to believe this. Another world record. We set another world record.
A world record tonight. Yes. That I hear for attendance.
Here in Clarkston, the attendance for this concert tonight is 1,356,004 people here tonight.
I knew it was going to be a lot. I think you're just messing with me now. I mean, come on. There's a lot of people, but there can't be.
When I lie to you, Dexter, I would not.
There can't be 1 million people here tonight.
There is. Not just a million.
What was that number again then? Tell me the truth. Tell me the exact same number again.
Tonight, here in attendance, Clarkston, Michigan, 1,356,004 people here tonight.
I guess it's the truth. All right.
World record!
Wow. 1 million people. That's like practically 4 million people. And each one more beautiful than the last. You know
Absolutely.
On the inside too.
Inside and outside.
Like you hear how good they're singing? They're singing really
thing, their voices, I mean, you can focus on how many they are, like the quantity, but this is a quality audience, Dexter. I mean, they sing like angels!
There's a lot of quality in this audience tonight. I agree. They're good singers. They're like what? What did you call them again?
Beautiful people with beautiful voices!
Okay. That's good one. That's good. No, he said something about being angelic or something.
They're like a choir of angels here, yes! A choir of angels.
I like that. Choir of angels.
But more than that, if you look a little closely, there's a spark of intelligence, a twinkle of mischievousness in each and every one of their eyes.
There is. What does that mean?
It means they like their curse words, Dexter!
So intelligent people like to cuss, is that what you're trying to say?
Voices like angels, vocabularies like sailors!
Wow. It makes sense, I guess. I don't know. I never studied it or anything, but I guess, you know.
Oh, they did that study at the University of Michigan, or maybe it was, University of Michigan, they did that study.
I heard about that one, I think.
Yeah, and it proves conclusively that intelligent people love their curse words and use them often.
It proved it conclusively. I like
Who am I to argue with the science, Dexter?
Well, maybe you guys would like to sing and cuss with us right now then, since...
Fuck yeah!
Since you're such good singers and you're so intelligent and you like to cuss. Come on, I see you guys ready to sing and cuss with us right now. All right.